We are Luca and Sara.
After traveling 70,000 kilometers from Alaska to the end of the world, now it's time to take care of Lucky LeAw, our old truck camper.
Good morning, beautiful people!
Good morning!
Today we will take care of Lucky LeAw. We drove from the end of the world, Ushuaia, to Rio Grande. In Rio Grande, we had an amazing time together with Anita, Anna Maria and Luis. Anna Maria, she is Luis' mom.
If you haven't seen the video of Luis and Monique in Neuquén, watch the video up here.
I had the possibility to work full-time on the editing of our videos.
I went fishing. Time to get everything ready. See, it's already dark. I couldn't fish anything. I tried probably more than 200 times and nada. Next time. And then I started working on Lucky LeAw. We fixed the hood, we welded, and we had a few parts to fix.
Then we checked the bearings, the brakes, everything was okay.
Okay guys, so we have few parts we have to weld here. One is over there, is where the hood is attached. Then here it broke where it closed, and the other part is over here, that piece that holds there. So this is the machine to weld. This is the car. Already safety there. Now we are trying to fix where it closes there and up there, because during the Carretera Austral with all the bumps it broke. So as you can see, this guy is fixing, and then he will weld it a little bit, so it will be perfect. Paint. This is the moment of through. Let's see. Perfect, it doesn't move anymore. Perfecto. Awesome.
Today we will change the oil of Lucky LeAw, but first let's go buy the Mercosur, the green card, the insurance for Lucky LeAw.
This should be the insurance, but it's closed and they rent the place, so probably they close forever. We don't know.
And let's go and see if we can find another place.
We have to buy the insurance.
Yes.
So in Argentina it's mandatory to have at least a third part insurance, so we are looking for that.
Not in Tierra del Fuego. In Tierra del Fuego it's not mandatory, but in all Argentina, yes. And even the second place where you can buy seguros, the insurance, is closed. I don't know what is going on.
It's this red building, and as you can see, alquilo, it means to rent. And we went to all of them.
Yes.
And they are all closed.
Okay, let's try the last one, and if this one will be closed as well, we will just move on and go and change the oil. And if the police will stop us, we say, guys,
we tried.
We tried at least. We have the videos, we can prove it. Nothing, guys, this one is open, but today is Saturday morning and they are closed on Saturday and on Sunday, just Monday to Friday. Hey, no seguro, no insurance.
No seguro, no problem.
Yeah, I don't know. It's better with the seguro. Okay, let's go ahead, guys.
Your destination is on the right.
Full stop. Lubricentros. Will we fit in there? This is always the main question. Will Lucky LeAw fit in a garage? Otherwise we will need to stay outside. We are in, we fit into the garage. Lucky LeAw the beast, ready for the oil change. We'll put a 20 W50 because we are going to warmer weather. Are you checking the air filter?
Yeah, we'll ask them if they have. It's impossible to find our air filter here. We are searching everywhere, but
even the oil filter is difficult.
yeah, they don't have this engine here, so but basically the oil filter is the same of other vehicles they have here, other Fords, so greasing the universal joints, the crucetas 1, 2 and 3 over here in front. It's really important.
Fate un caffé al día, no duermo. Solo uno a la mañana, sí. Él no toma café, no sé, es italiano, pero no es italiano.
Okay, so we will be able to make the other check in 10,000 kilometers. So now we have 502,000, so we'll be in 512,000 kilometers. Time to pay.
Time to pay. Done was one of the most expensive oil change, but we were over the red zone with our mileage. So we need to do this in Argentina. We know that the prices are higher than other countries. So we pay almost $100 for the change, 6 liters of oil. Plus we change just the oil filter, not the air filter. And now it's time to
wash Lucky LeAw. If we fit.
If we fit. We didn't fit.
Okay, so we're buying these lights for Lucky LeAw since all the wind and the off-road we have done, we lost some on the road. So now it's time to get them again. We don't want the police. It's about $4 each. It's quite expensive compared to United States, but
we're buying 4.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we bought the coolant. Our car is drinking some coolant. I don't know if we are losing from the top of the engine or what, but we have to add some coolant almost every day.
You see, this is a typical day for travelers. We wanted to do something, and then in the end, not just for travelers, for everyone, you just started with an idea, you wanted to do a lot of stuff, and then you just end up doing just a few of these things. We didn't watch Lucky LeAw, we didn't buy the insurance. Now I think we will just leave this down. See you later, guys. We are driving north on the Atlantic coast of Argentina. We are driving since 3 days. 3 days, right? 3-4 days. And the road is all like this.
When we were young, we used to drink orange juice and was delicious. And now when you drink orange juice, that show them what happened.
By the way, I would like to show you on the right and on the left we have all this for hours and hours and hours. Lucky LeAw, as you saw in the previous images, is fixed. The hood is fixed.
Oil change, we grease the universal joints.
We left Rio Grande a few days ago. It was amazing. Anna and Luis, they treated us like family. We eat super good, we work hard. Now we will find a spot where to sleep, and probably you are asking how is traveling during this time with the COVID-19. We will show you this in the next video. Luckily we didn't wash Lucky LeAw. There is a storm of mosquitoes.
We don't know if there are mosquitoes or what kind of flies
Here,
are there.
Flies probably, not mosquitoes, they're too big.
But it's full, guys.
Look at the windshield. They're crashing. Sunset on the road.
Beautiful sunset.
We decided to stop here, guys, because we are tired, we wanted to rest. So Lucky LeAw at least is fixed.
It's fixed, it's running well. We were in a rush to get out of the island of Tierra del Fuego because you have to cross into Chile and then into Argentina again. We know that borders are closing, so we wanted to be in the mainland because eventually we could get stuck somewhere at some point. So now we are in Argentina, in mainland.
We drove many kilometers, but we will talk about this in the next video, guys. We love you, we appreciate you.
If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And please consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done already.
It's for free and it will meant a lot for us. It will help us.
Sara is Luca, we are Liu, Leave Everything and Wander. We traveled from Alaska to Argentina to Ushuaia, and now we are we are driving up north again.
So guys, stay tuned, stay with us, and we'll see you in the next video really soon. We love you.
Remember, life is beautiful, la vita è bella.
Ciao.
Ciao.